If your games stutter or freeze, it's usually Windows, not your hardware. Today I'll show you pro-level fixes to stabilize FPS and remove micro stutters, all safe and reversible. Let's start. First, let's remove a hidden Windows layer that interferes with your game. Right-click the game EXE, Properties, Compatibility, Disable Fullscreen Optimizations. This removes an extra Windows layer that can add input latency and micro stutter. Now we make sure your CPU never downclocks mid-game. Control panel, power options. Choose high performance or ultimate performance. This prevents CPU throttling and keeps clocks stable. Next, we tell Windows and your GPU. The game comes first. Settings, Gaming, Game Mode on. Then, Settings, System, Display, Graphics Settings, add your game, Options, High Performance. This ensures Windows and GPU prioritize your game. Background apps equals hidden FPS killers. Let's shut them down. Settings arrow, privacy arrow, background apps arrow, turn off, let apps run in the background. Background apps cause context switches, network calls, and RAM pressure. All create micro stutters. Old cache files equals surprise disk spikes. Time to clean them. Win+R arrow type temp arrow delete all files. Repeat for %temp% and prefetch. This reduces unnecessary disk I/O that can spike during gameplay. If your HDD is always at 100%, this step is a lifesaver. Win+R, services.msc, find sysmain, stop, startup type equals disabled. On many HDD systems, this reduces high disk usage and stutter. Windows sometimes uploads update files while you're gaming. Not good. Settings, update and security. Delivery optimization, off. This prevents Windows from using your bandwidth and CPU to upload update files. Now we optimize the GPU itself for stable frame times. NVIDIA control panel, manage 3D settings. Low latency mode, on ultra. Power management mode, prefer maximum performance. Threaded optimization, on. These ensure low latency and consistent frame delivery. Advanced timing tweak, only if you know how to revert changes. Open CMD as admin and run bcd edit/delete value. Use platform clock. bcd edit/set disabled dynamic tick. Yes. Then reboot. This fixes micro timing issues on some systems. Now let's check the results. Restart your PC. Launch the same game and map. Record average FPS and check frame time graph using MSI Afterburner or RTSS. You should see fewer spikes and a smoother frame time line. If this helped you, comment your game and your before after FPS. I'll pin the best results. Want a hardware-specific deep dive? Intel, AMD, or laptops? Tell me which. I'll make it next. Thanks for watching.